Well, good morning. It is a beautiful day here in Kemah, Texas. We are renting a Airbnb here in this lovely town that I've never actually heard of. It's a little bit south of Houston, and we have like a boardwalk here. There's an ocean kind of inlets. It's a really nice little place. Caleb is competing in the Highland Games here, so we're excited to see him compete. We have some friends that are staying with us here as well, so it's going to be a nice, fun weekend. Right now it's about, I don't know, in the mid 60s, so not the coolest temperature for October, but for this area of Texas, it doesn't really get super cold even in the fall and winter. So we're going to get ready to head over to the Highland Games now, but first let's go ahead and give you a quick look at the house, and then we'll pop in the car and head over there and check it out.
Today we are going to go to the Kemah Highland Games. It's going to be at Jack's Bar and Grill, and with that, it's going to be all the events. So you'll have, heavyweight for distance, lightweight for distance, and then you also have the stone throws, caber toss, hammer throw, and the sheaf. It should be a pretty good day. Today they're just doing the A class, which is the high level classes, and then the master classes and the kids class. So that's going to be kind of cool to watch. The little kids start throwing stuff too. It should be a pretty good day. It should end around 4 o'clock in this afternoon, and then I'll be throwing tomorrow. So
Ready, Mila?
Ready and stripey. I think it's a video.
She's like, yes, smile for the camera.
Oh no.
Dad's ready.
Yeah, no, he's here. He just got his shoulder worked on.
You got your shoulder work done.
I did.
You ready?
Man, I can scratch things I couldn't scratch before.
Willow's ready. Throwing those chips back.
I'm getting sunscreen.
You're what?
Sunscreen.
Why?
Because I don't want to get burnt.
Oh yeah, that's
Hey,
good.
Mom, can all three of us girls go explore the place?
Well, I'm competing, so I can.
Yeah, you gotta stay together.
These
I'm
two
working on my bracelet.
and that one and me.
Jaggy.
I'm barfing on you.
Oh, that's so sweet.
I know.
Can you look that way?
The Highland Games here are really cool. They're just such a great way for the guys to just get together and have camaraderie, and they're having genuinely just a great time hanging out together. So we're just sitting here just trying to keep the shade and enjoying the nice breeze.
This is max weight 200 pounds.
Oh, darn. Jump in.
A few moments later.
Just jump in. After an awesome afternoon watching these guys throw heavy things, it was time for a nap. So we came back to the house, and then after nap time, the girls got in the pool and played, and then it was time to make some dinner. So tonight I'm making Brussels sprouts with bacon, and I'm going to grill some steaks and some potatoes and squash for dinner. So we also have some margaritas, and we're just ready to have a nice evening here at this awesome house. So let's see how all this stuff turns out. I hope everybody likes it.
No, it does not. You're so wrong.
This is so good. Quality entertainment. Thank you.
Contact information's on the back.
Jonathan, Randall, Christopher Ashton.
No, he doesn't care.
First place.
Oh yeah, the share.
First place. I think he's thrown a lot more. He should probably be an A, but where he's a C. No, I'm really. Kelly. That is your case. All right.